right, hey boys and girls. Okay, so you're cruising down the road, tearing ass through the neighborhood, and your little two-stroke just starts going whoop, 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 whoop. And you come to a halt. There's no fun, right? Your culprit might be this little son of a bitch right here, your choke lever. This guy here depends upon friction in order to stay up. Viagra is not going to work either. So what we got to do, we got to tear into this sucker here and figure out why that sucker's going up. And it's a real simple fix. But if you notice that your bike craps out on you and you notice that your choke's up, well, let me show you how to fix it. You got the two screws here on the back for your air filter. Take it off. Hey, my vote is just toss the damn air filter in the first place. This was a $5,000 engine. Yeah, you want to keep an air filter on it. These are cheap damn engines. I run mine without, and guess what? 4.5 years later, I ain't fucked the engine up. So that's my little thing here. So here's your choke assembly here. Okay? So all it is this lever. You got the little stud that goes through. You got this little flapper here. Okay? You can, let's see here. Yeah, you see me looking at you there? Okay? This is the carburetor, sucks the air through here. And you can maybe see the little hole, the little brass hole there. That's where the gas sucks through. So you're sucking air through. You've got the needle in there. As the needle comes up, it lets more of an opening there. The bigger the opening, the more air that's sucking through, the more gas you're going to be sucking out of the carburetor here, right? But what we're doing here, when this bad boy here goes up, and of course that's the choke position, what that does is that limits the amount of air going through and makes it suck more gas in. And of course that fucks things up if you're wanting to be cruising down the road. So let me show you how you fix it, right? Come on. There's the nut. Get the lock washer off. And then let's get the flapper, the flap thing here off, choke flap, whatever you want to call the damn thing. I'm sure there's a 100% technical term for it, but be damned if I know what it is. All right, let's see if we can. I'm going to use a punch here, press in on the shaft. There we go. What we want to do is we want to scuff up these little two ribbed areas here, just little something that's going to give it a little bit more friction here. You don't want to take a lot of metal off. You just want to scuff it up a little bit, wipe it off, because we don't want to put this thing back on and have any metal shavings inside the inlet of the carburetor. Okay, you've got the flap here, the choke flap. I'm just going to take my little file here and scuff it up on the back. Okay, so the flap's going like this here. We want some scuff marks to go like this on the back as opposed to up and down this way here. That's going to offer the most friction against those two ribbed areas. So this is going to go on the carb like this here. What I want to do is bend this back just a little bit. Grab it here and I'm going to push in this way here. Give it just a little bit of a bend. That way we've got a little bit more friction on it. Let's put the lever and the stud in. Put the little flapper thing on. The lock washer, put your lock washer on. Let's put our hex nut back on. There we go. So we've got the flapper, we've got the lock washer under it, then we've got the hex nut. I'm going to tighten this bad boy up by hand. Get it fairly snug, and voila, she be good and tight. So takes a little bit. If you get it too tight, you're going to want to loosen this nut up. But now, when you push this bad boy down, it's going to stay. If you like the video, give me a big old fat thumbs up. Mash that button down there that says subscribe if you think I got anything good to say. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Y'all take care now. Bye.